If you have rental property or an Airbnb, then I want to show you 5 questions I've asked HMRC, and most of the questions have to do with what we can write as an expense before submitting our self-assessment tax return at the end of the year. And that's pretty valuable knowledge because the more expenses you write against your revenue, that's less taxable income you have to pay tax on at the end of the financial year. Do I need to have invoices from my cleaner as an Airbnb host, or are bank transactions okay as proof? This is pretty much what I ask over here, and this is what they say. If the bank statement confirms the full name of the cleaner, this should suffice. Then we have another question I'm asking, which is regarding some extra costs I had to pay the cleaner for additional cleaning. And since that was not recorded in the Airbnb app, I had to pay the cleaner as a separate bank transaction. So I didn't really have an invoice or a receipt from the Airbnb app. How Airbnb works is that you allocate a cost of cleaning against your booking. So if somebody books your house or flat, they need to pay the cost you've allocated. In my case, I've set the cleaning price as £20. In this case, the Airbnb guest left a bit of a mess, so I had to pay extra on top of what the actual cleaning cost says in the Airbnb app. Even though the Airbnb invoice for the booking said that the cleaning costs were £20, I actually paid more, and that can only be reflected on my bank statement. That's why I asked the question. Because I was worried that the actual proof of paying a cleaner would be the booking invoice inside of Airbnb instead of what you transferred in the bank. However, over here they say it's absolutely fine and they regard the bank transactions as entire proof. In this case, I don't even think they want to see the Airbnb booking invoice. I think they just want to see who you've paid in your bank statements. And just to confirm that, over here they say as long as you have evidence for the extra that is paid, you can claim that as a business expense, which is pretty much spot on regarding the concerns I had. And just before we jump to the next question, if this video is helpful, then drop a like so we can spread to more people. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, then you can subscribe to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so don't miss out on any other helpful videos. Good luck with your rental property, and I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye.